So I'm here on Hilton Park Lane, and at the very top you've got the iconic restaurant Galvin's at Window. And head chef Ju Won is going to show me with Korean Kimchi Risotto. How the hell did you end up here in London at Galvin's?
I'm from South Korea. I wasn't really academic person. My mother saw it. My son is not really the best there. She said, Ju, why don't you just look at learning some skills?
And so has your mum tried your food now?
Oh yes.
She happy?
She Mom, look at this. This is Korean. She tried the kimchi risotto as well, and some of the barbecues. This is not really Korean. You can't say this is Korean. It's just not true. I taste the kimchi, but this is not Korean. I try to make her understand, Mom. This is a new things. Like I try to combine the flavors. No, Jude. Korean shouldn't be like this. I never cook at home. I know it sounds funny, I don't cook at home. My mother, she doesn't allow me to cook. She has to cook. She said, Ju, you don't cook, okay? Yeah. Don't ruin things. Yeah. I'm gonna cook it exactly how I want it. Yes, and you eat. I'm going to show you how to cut the mulis. Into baton, into that shape. Okay. Don't need to be crazy perfect, but not too much pressure. Wow, not bad.
Salt the mouli.
So release the water out. We'll leave it for about 30 minutes.
Okay, and that's to pull the moisture out?
Yes, to soften up mouli and a bit of flavor, and also curing it. We have rice, Parmesan cheese, Cheddar cheese, spring onion, diced onion, and the kimchi. I've got some butter.
Stirring.
Yeah, stirring. As stock goes down, you keep topping up one ladleful at a time for 80 minutes. Yeah. You add the good spoonful of kimchi. Nice. And this is ready.
Next up, the ultimate poached egg. Cooked in its shell in a steam oven for an hour at 63 degrees C. Then all you need to do is crack it and it's immediately heated up in seconds in hot water. Yes. Critically, the rice still has a bite to it. It's so Moorish, but what's amazing is the kimchi gives it a sour relief. that kind of resets your palate, so you're eager for more. You're just like, indulgence, reset, indulgence, reset. It's just so good. And then the egg is just pure indulgence, and it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. But what's surprising is the seaweed. The seaweed just elevates it, takes it to a whole new level. Gives it this like vibrant, fresh, green veg vibe, even though it's seaweed. It's so Moorish, you have to eat it with a spoon. It actually reminds me of my mum's rice pudding. Not in the taste or the flavour, but the way it makes me feel, just sort of like taken care of and loved. It's just, often the challenge with food is to keep adding layers. And often people get that wrong, that they don't communicate to each other properly. Jews put so many different vibes in here. You've got the seaweed, you've got the kimchi, you've got the classic Italian Moorishness with the cheese, you've got the comfort of the rice that's cooked perfectly. But then you've got the kimchi. And the kimchi is just, it's utter genius, because in itself is a comfort food. I think Korean food has so many comfort food champions, but it's so good. It's so good. If you come to London, you got to come and try it. Massive thanks to Ju-Won. What a lovely guy. And big up respect to Garwin's Windows, one of London's most iconic restaurants. Give him a follow on Instagram now. Increase the peace, brothers and sisters, and spread the love, and see you next week.